Hey, this is Job Coach Kathy. Our strategic plan today covers job motivation. Let's go to work. Your starting point. There may be many reasons you are here. You have a job, but you need a new one. You don't have a job, but you need help to find a new one. Or you may want to move up in your current workplace and need help updating your materials. Or you have nothing better to do today, so here you are. It doesn't matter the reason you are here. Help is on the way. Job motivation boils down to this. You can't start a fire using wet wood. Set the goal and don't be wet wood. Getting motivated to make a change isn't always easy. This might be you. Today I got up, I went to work, I did my job, and then I went home. Tomorrow I'm going to get up, I'm going to go to work, and I'm going to do the job, and then I'm going to go home. Sometimes it's just as easy to stay in the same old rut and not make a change. So if you're stuck, maybe it's time for a new job, a new direction, maybe even more education. So from here on out, I want you to start thinking outside the box. We are going to be looking at new opportunities, maybe even opportunities that you haven't even thought about. So if you feel like you're hitting a brick wall, here are a few ideas to get you going. Look for employment in the area of the private sector, federal, city, county, state jobs. Look and think about short-time jobs like gig jobs, looking at positions in the military, working in the national parks, or maybe even starting your own business. And there's many other types of job options available. So here's your action item. I want you to pick a job type like private, federal, state, county, city, etc., and start exploring the possibilities. Go out and look at their websites, their Facebook pages, determine where they're located, what kind of benefits they offer, and really get a sense of what's possible out there for you. All right, let's move to map your job plan.